My name is Aniket. I represent Lihon Technology. Today we are going to introduce to you our latest product, Happy, a premier product for agriculture, for farmer. Today we change the route of history. Introducing to you is Happy. Happy is water resistant. It has two functions only. First is on, second is off. That's it. We can use it for pump on and off. It's a GSM based system. Like we have a demo over here, like I have clicked on to on. So the message comes over here, you can see the blink and the pump gets on. Similarly, when I do it, I press the off function, the signal over here appears and immediately the pump stops. So here we have status symbol that represents the function of on and off when the message is received. The other function is power. Here constant red LED which symbolizes that the power supply is in OK mode. Our device is powered by BSNL, the premier network organization. Any SIM card which is micro fits rightly into the device. Any kind of machine can be on and off via contactor or directly up to 5 amperes. So up to 5 amperes, any kind of devices can be directly on and off. The important thing is cost. Where other competitors offer 4,000 to 10,000 for the same device, our device costs 999. That is 999. So presenting to you Lihon's Happy. You can also download the app from Play Store. Then here you can put happy.lihon.com. Here you can see the app. You can install it. You can install, open it, and here you can put your names. From here you can add another name. For example, the device. You can also put the name. For here, for example, you can put up here you can put pump, save it. So your pump is, and from here you can on and off. So it's quite easy. And if you want to delete it, from here you can go and you can edit the number if required. And if you want to delete it, you can also delete this function.